Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Islam Ishfaq and you are watching Skylark YouTube channel. Today I have pleasure of hosting Dr. Farzam Tahir, who is a physiotherapist by profession. Dr. Farzam Tahir has been our IELTS IBT student in our institute, Skylark English Language Institute, and he secured 8 out of 9 bands in IELTS IBT test overall and perfect 9 by 9 bands in reading section. Now let's talk to Dr. Farzam Tahir. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum Assalam.
Hope you are fine.
Alhamdulillah.
Congratulations for your success.
Thank you so much.
And I will ask you how you find Skylark Institute.
So I found Skylark through a friend. He got admitted here last year, and he also had a great score of about 7.5 bands in IELTS. So he recommended me that I must join this institute. And Alhamdulillah, the results were great and the efforts from the institute were also amazing.
In addition to your friend's suggestion, what other thing influenced you to choose Skylark Institute for your preparation?
After knowing about the name of the institute, I myself looked for reviews on the social media platforms like Facebook and on the Google Maps, the reviews also. Okay. So that gave me a thought that I must join this institute, and there wasn't any other organization or academy that was giving this opportunity to prepare IELTS in Okada city.
So, how was your overall experience in Skylark Institute?
My overall experience here was great. The instructor was very knowledgeable, and the efforts and the whole teaching methodology, the environment, and most of all the online LMS portal, it was excellent. So these things really impressed me, and they also helped me get such a great score.
So tell us more about Skylark mock test softwares you have practiced there.
I feel like the mock tests were one of the most important things that helped me achieve such a great score, and I did all the mock tests that were given. I attempted them all, and they are totally based on the pattern of the actual test. So they really help us a lot in order to mentally prepare ourselves for the real test. So the mock test is pretty much like the real test, and it gives us a great chance to know about how much skillful we are, and also how much score we can attempt in the actual IELTS test.
So, how did the mediators guide you throughout the session there?
The Mediator really helped me throughout the course if I ever faced any problem or if I ever had any query. So the Mediator was always there, and there were also the quality of delivery of the lectures through multimedia and through written and verbal lectures. They really helped me, and that instructor also gave us several other tips to tackle the problems that we could face during our test.
Okay, Mr. Farzam, what specific skills or strategies you learned that helped you the most during their IBT test?
There were several strategies that I learned. For example, in listening test, it was all about focusing and carefully listening the whole thing. And not only it was about the test, you should also listen to other things like the online podcasts or online documentaries. These things help us a lot. And similarly, if we talk about the reading skill, it's all about managing time and also improving our reading capabilities. So through repeated testing, it really helps us. And similarly in the writing test, we have a great improvement with repeated attempt of the writing task 1 and 2. And the instructor gave us very good directions how to attempt the writing task, how to order the paragraphs. Each and everything was to the point and very clear.
So after completing the whole course in Skylark Institute, how confident you was while taking the IELTS test?
I was pretty much confident, as I knew that the mock test that I had given, and also the instructor told me that now you are well prepared, so you should go for your test. It was a great confidence for me. And apart from that, the mock tests also, they played a very great role in making me prepare mentally, prepare myself, and it boosted my confidence level that yes, I am going to perform good in the test, and alhamdulillah.
So what would you recommend to the others for Skylark Institute?
I would say my experience here was very great, and I would totally recommend to all the other students who are looking for a good institute in our city for preparing IELTS test or any other online English proficiency test. So they should go for it. It is a very great place to develop and improve your English skills, English language skills.
Thank you so much, Dr. Farzam.
You're welcome.
Congratulations once
Thank you
again,
so
and
much.
hoping bright future.
Thank you, sir.
So he was a Dr. Farzam.